Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone are doing good. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'll share with you guys how I make this meat pie that you can enjoy with any soft drinks of your choice. It's so yummy, guys. Look at it, straight out from the oven. Look at it, so hot. It tastes so good. It tastes so yummy. Keep watching, guys. Let me take you guys along. Let me show you how I achieve this delicious snacks. Okay guys, in a clean bowl I have about 8 cups of flour. Then I'm going to add in my salt. As you can see, I'm adding salt. Then I'll mix it very well, mix it all together. I'm mixing right now, mixing the dry ingredients. Okay, mix it very well. Then I'll go ahead and add in my butter. Okay, you can use butter or you can use margarine, okay, for this recipe. After adding my butter, then I will mix it very well. I make sure I mix it properly. I'm just going to mix the butter and the flour together till it give me this consistency, as you can see. Then after doing this, I will add in water. Okay, I'm going to use a cold water for this. Then you can also use milk. Okay, if you don't want to use water, you can substitute the water for milk. You can go ahead and add milk. After adding water, I'm just going to mix it very well, mix it together till it turns to a dough. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I appreciate every one of you. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to share out the video because sharing is caring. I went ahead and add in more water till I get my desired consistency. Look at now. I'll transfer it to a clean surface. Make sure your surface that you are working with is very clean. I've already cleaned my surface. Then I'm just going to mix it together till the dough form to my desired consistency. Then I'll share it. I'll share it into two equal parts. Then I'll use a syringe plastic bag to cover it. Then I'll keep inside the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, make sure you keep inside the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, then I'll bring it out. Then it's time to make our meat pie. I've already made my filling. Okay, I don't know what went wrong. I missed the parts where I make my fillings, guys. Okay, I've already made my fillings. I lost the footage of me making the fillings that I'm going to put inside this dough right now. The filling is just carrot, potato, diced meat. Okay, this is the plastic meat pie cutter that I'm going to be using. I have 3 different sizes, but I'm going to use this white one right now. Okay, then I also use the blue one. I use the white one and the blue one. I'm just going to lie in my flat dough. Then this is the filling, is the grounded meat, grounded beef with carrot, potato. Then I added some spice, habanero pepper. I like my meat pie to be a little bit spicy. I added a little bit of habanero pepper to the fillings. Then I just add it to the dough. Then I'll cover it. Then you're good to go. This is very easy. This meat pie cutter is a lifesaver. Okay, look at it, so beautiful. It will give you the exact same size of each meat pie. Then after doing that, I'll put it inside my pan. Okay, as you can see. Then I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of the dough till everything is all done. I'm just going to do the second one for you guys. Then I'll do the rest off camera. I'll just put in my meat dough cutter or meat pie cutter. Then I add in my fillings. Okay, then I cover it up. I'm just going to cover it. As you can see, I bought this thing online from Amazon. Yeah, I bought this meat pie cutter from Amazon. Look at it, guys. It's very easy. You don't need to stress yourself, okay? I just put it there. Then I'll do the rest, okay? Then I'll poke some, use a fork to poke some holes on it. And after doing that, I'll just go ahead and rub the top with egg. I use egg and butter mix, okay? Just gonna rub it on top of the meat pie. Then I'll put it inside the oven. While this is doing, I've already preheated my oven for 350 degree, okay? I preheated my oven for 350 degree. Then I will allow it to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends. Okay, it has a baking time. You can use 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It all depends on your oven. Okay, I put inside the oven. I like to bake straight to the oven. Look at, it's out from the oven right now. Look at it, so pretty. It came out so good. It was so delicious, guys. My kids, they love meat pie. Whenever I make meat pie, forget about like food. Like, they can eat meat pie for lunch, they can eat it for breakfast, they can eat it for dinner. As far as meat pie, oh my goodness, anytime I make this meat pie, they are so happy. Oh mommy, thank you for making meat pie. That's the end, guys. It's came out so good, so yummy. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a like. Look at the meat pie. I bet this meat pie will not last like 3-4 days. Everything is gone. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye everyone. Bye.